The Fat Buffalo.
You guys want a chippy? Oh. Where do they go, man? Here you go, Birdie. Get a chippy. Take the Chipotle chip. Come on, dude. Get the Chipotle chip. Get it. Well, that's a big guy, though. Get it. Oh, he took it. Dude, he can't even fly with that thing. Yo, he can't fly with the Chipotle chip. Just eat. Yo, munch some of it. Come on, get it.
Oh, yeah.
You can do it, dude. Dude, you got the power.
Gains, bro.
Yo. Get it. He's gnawing at that thing, dude. Dude, he's gnawing at it, dude. Look at that beak. Straight beakage. Yo, that's,
Beak gains, bro.
yo, beak gains. Come on, Chipotle, man. Get it. Yo, call some of your friends. Dude, this bird's gonna be YouTube famous, man. It's probably gonna go on, like, what is that, America's Funniest Home Videos? Eating Chipotle chippies. Dude, that beak, dude, he's gnawing. Don't you guys feel like we're in California right now?
A little bit.
Come on, dude, fly with that
I've
thing.
never been to California.
Dude, you gotta fly with it. Is he gonna fly with that or what? Oh, dude.
We got food for the month.
Dude, I gotta eat some, dude. I'm getting hungry. This dude's making me hungry. We'll come back, dude. We're back, dude. Like 5 minutes later. What is he doing with that thing? Here, you want to?
I don't know what he wants.
Dude, there's another one, dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, he's on over. Oh, dude, more birds.
Oh my god, look at his friend. Just took it. Snap.
Dude,
Oh my god, look at that one.
dude, they're going bonkers, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, did he take it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he took it from him, man. Yo, he's a Chipotle chip thief. Oh, that dude's pissed. He's pissed. Oh, man. Bye. How many weeks out are you?
20,000 years.